Monster Truck fans, welcome back to more OffTrack RC. This time we're going freestyling and we're gonna crown a champion this time out. I'm Chris Parrish alongside Mike the Massacre Bufka, and we're bringing you all of the action. It's still a tight battle at the top as Isaac Ankrum, as has been tradition, sits at the top, but we've got other competitors right there nipping at his heels. Andy Salerno in the JGW, Chris Lane and Avenger and Bigfoot 15 Mike Spurlock, all in the hunt.
Yeah, we got a lot of really good drivers out here who are going to be holding nothing back. You know, they've been keeping these trucks together in one piece all season, but this is the final. You know what I mean? There is one thing's for certain. We don't know who's going to win, but one thing's for certain. They are going to leave nothing out on the track at the end of the day. I know Isaac Ankrum, you know, 6-time champion, 5 consecutive. He's going to do everything he can in his power to take home number 7. Will the truck agree? Will it stay up on 4 wheels, you know, for the entire minute that it takes? We're going to find out, but they are going to be pounding these trucks into the ground today, Chris. That is for sure.
We're going to be scraping them off in a barrel at the end of the day, and it's going to be exciting. Stay tuned.
One roll, 33 seconds in. Big duty on your bit. Whoa, 25 seconds in. On your hit. One roll, 42 seconds in. Calder foot.
Hey, I'm Calder Sicht. This is my Bigfoot flag truck. It has a Sutton Motorsports bulletproof chassis with the Sutton Motorsports axle braces. It has a Holmes Hobbies HV500 in it. I'm running on 2S with J Concepts body, wheels, and tires.
Calder foot. One roll, 48 seconds in. 8 seconds. JGW on your hit.
Chris Lane, congratulations on taking the win today. You wowed us, razzle-dazzled us. I'm completely honest, I thought that run was ended. You were on your roof several times, and you proved otherwise. That truck wanted to keep running. How did you keep it going today?
Just kept my foot in the throttle and hoped that it would grab.
And grab it, did it? Grabbed it every single time until the end. That was a phenomenal run. Great season for you, by the way. Just awesome run. Congratulations. We had a great time watching you today.
Thank you.
Isaac Anker, congratulations on a fantastic season of freestyle. How many in a row is this for you now?
In a row? I didn't win last year, so this is one in a row right now. But I've lost count of how many wins I've had, and let me tell you, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming.
I think it's something like 7. Next year might be 8. I don't know. This man can't be tamed. He is causing quite the commotion out here. We're all looking for big things from you next season.
Thank you.
This man's got it. Anyways, back to you, Chris.